Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yep. Hello, Chetan, Santosh, and Javed. Javed is joining.
No, sir, he will not join.
Okay.
They will not join, sir. Can continue.
Okay. Fine. So today we'll start with a new concept called script. Okay.
Okay.
Script means it's a text composer. Script is a text composer. What is the importance of this script is generally we will use a script to prepare some layouts. Generally when you go to the big bazaar or so some supermarket, then you will purchase some things. Then finally they will give a bill, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Similarly, when you go and buy some TV or something else, some washing machine, then also they will give a document to you, correct?
Yes, sir.
So even though the document will be used as a proof of your purchase.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that kind of documents, how to format the documents, how, so those kind of printouts like which can be used as a proof, how to create those using SAP. So this will be done by scripts.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so maybe it may be a delivery note. Sometimes what will happen, I will order a laptop in a what called through online. I will order. Then what will happen? A sales order or purchase order sales order document will go to the particular company. Then those people will give the delivery to me and they will send the delivery order. So delivery document will come to me. Okay. So these kind of documents, how to prepare. So an available tool for us in SAP is scripts. So go to SE71 transaction to create a script. SE71.
Okay, sir.
And please make a note, a script is a text composer which is used to create the layouts. Script is a text composer which is used to create layouts. And the second important point, a script is client dependent and language dependent. Script is client dependent and language dependent.
Okay, sir.
What is the client dependency and language dependency? Client dependent means what?
Means it's restricted to only one client.
Correct. So that means if I create a script in client number 800, then I will log into 810, the script won't be there in 810.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and language dependent. If I create a script in English language, if I want to see the script in French language, that won't be there. Script is client dependent and language dependent. So now I'm going to create a some delivery note here. So I'll put the name Z Del Note. Okay. So give some name here. Click on create. It's saying this delivery note in English language is not available in client 800. Say OK. So now you are here into the first screen of the script. Give the short description. Delivery note. And save this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now a script has pages and windows. What is a page? Say for example, page means an A4 sheet. This is called a page. For example, see, I'll show you a document in as a Windows Word format, then you can understand.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
MS Word.
any Word document if I open,
MS Word.
which one?
MS Word. Microsoft Word. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, MS Word, MS Word.
Yeah, just Word.
You know what is the page in MS Word?
Yes, sir.
The first page, second page, like that.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is a page one, okay? And if I go down still,
Yes, sir.
you can go to the page two.
Yes, sir. But it's containing only one page.
Yeah, this is second one.
Yeah.
Okay, second page now. So
Okay.
something like that. Page one, page two will be there. Similarly, if you observe there is something here. Okay, so I have pasted something here. A location in a page. Okay, so a location in a page is called a window.
Okay, sir.
So I will specifically decide what to place in which point of the page. Say for example, this is a page, empty page. In this portion, I want to put the company logo. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If I want to put the company logo in this point of page, then what I will do? I will put a window here first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Inside the window, I will put the logo or I will put something else.
Yes.
Okay. A placeholder in a page is called window.
Window. Okay.
So now I will try to create pages and windows. So to create pages and windows, there is a graphical tool available. To go to the graphical tool, go to the settings, form painter, graphical form painter. Go to this graphical form painter, continue. Now click on this layout. There is a button here, layout, click on the layout. Okay, so this is whatever the main window is there. This is called a window. Whatever main you are looking now, this is called a window, and the apart from the other whatever you are seeing, that is called a page. See, it is saying layout of page 1. In the page 1, this is something called main. Main is a window. Window is a placeholder. Okay. Now what I will do, I will design the page. I want to place some other new windows, some other things inside the page. Now how to do that? Let us see. Now I'll create a new window. To create a new window, click on this. There is a button here, create, click on this. So here window came up. So drag and drop this window here. I want to put the logo for this. So I'll rename this window as logo. So what is the window name? Logo. Fine. Then I'll create one more window.
Okay.
This window name I want to put it as
Heading.
heading.
So this is just like a drawing tool, sir.
Yeah, something like that. But we need to also do coding in it.
Okay.
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 So the layout preparation is just like a drawing tool. Dragging, dropping, everything will be available.
Okay.
And then now I just want to create a delivery note. Okay. So delivery note means In the delivery note, first you will put the company logo here, you will put the heading delivery note here, and after that you need to put
items.
the address, right, where to deliver
Yes,
this
sir.
delivery address, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the delivery address I want to put it here. After that, delivery, who is delivering? A shop people or company people will
From
deliver,
address.
correct? Their address also I will put it here.
From.
Yeah. Okay. And what is the delivery document number, and at which date they are delivering? This kind of details will be there. Those details I want to put in this window. And then what he is delivering, like
Items.
how many materials they are delivering, so how many quantity they are delivering, these kind of details will be there. No, for those details I'll put heading in this window.
Yes.
So here I will write serial number. Here I will write material
Number.
number, material description, number of
Quantity.
units. Those kind of descriptions I will write. So this is called, I'll rename it as column headers. And in the main window I will put what are all the items. That means item number 1, this is the material number, this is the description. Item number 2, this is the material number, this is the description, this is the quantity. Like that I will put all the list of items in the main window. So after the main window I will create one more.
For descriptions.
After main window I'll give some conditions window.
Yes, sir. Terms and conditions.
Yeah. And finally I'll
Method.
create something called signature window.
Yes.
Signature. And I'll create footer.
Yes.
Fine. So now you have created the windows. Now you have to know how to make this windows alignment. How to align these windows? Align these windows means, see, for example, this heading window. Okay, heading window. What is the upper margin for this? This is the upper margin. This is the page. This is the beginning of the page. This is called upper margin. Okay, so this is called the left margin. If you see here, what is the left margin for this heading window?
19 mm.
19 mm. Mm means millimeters,
Millimeter.
correct?
Yes, sir.
I will make it as I'll make it as some 20. Okay, exactly round figure. I'll make it nearby round figure.
So left margin.
And upper margin is 10. I want more upper margin, so I'll put upper margin. I want 20. Okay. So all the windows I'll just drag and drop below lower one. Okay. So upper margin I want 20, so I'm putting upper margin as 20 for heading window. And what is the window width?
Window width means
117.
yes, sir.
Window width means this window
From
is
upper margin.
this width. This is the width.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the window width right now? It's see for the heading window, not for the other. Yeah, now see what is the window width? 117. Yeah, I'll make this as 110. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is 110. And now what is the window height?
7 mm.
7 mm.
Okay.
I'll make it as 10 mm. So now see, this is how the heading window got changed. Okay. Now I'll place logo here. Okay. So the logo window. Otherwise, what I will do, I'll increase the width of this window a little bit more. 120 I will make this. Yeah, 120 I'll make this. And now see, I want to place a logo here. Now what is the upper margin required for the logo?
20.
20, correct. And left margin?
120.
140.
140.
140, correct.
Yes, sir.
And window width I'll make 40.
Yes.
And window height also I'll make
40.
40 or 50 I'll make it. So this is the logo window. Okay. The next one is address. Now tell me, what is the address left margin? What is this left margin should be?
20.
20. What is the upper margin?
20 plus 10. 30.
30. What is the window width? Window width I'll give 60 and window height I'll give 40.
30.
Okay, so address 1 is like this. Now come to the address 2. Left margin of address 2
40 plus 60.
could be 80. 80. Left margin means from here to here. Okay, this I'll put 80. Upper margin I'll put 30. Window width is 60. Window height is
40.
40. So now address 2 got aligned. Now let us go to the details window. So left margin is 20. Upper margin I'll put 70. Window width 160. And window height I'll put 20 is enough.
Column window. Details.
Okay, so done. Details window is done. Next, column headers. Column headers, again I'll say left margin is 20, upper margin is 90, window width 160 and height 10. So column headers got aligned. Now main window. upper margin is 20, upper margin is 100, window width 160, and window height, let us see, decide based on the next space which is available below. Okay, window height also I can put 100. After that, the next one is a conditions window. Upper margin and window width,
40.
window height.
Yeah.
I'll give 30. So conditions aligned. Signature window is also done. The finally footer. Done. Okay. So save this. So any questions in preparing the layout? Layout you got understood, correct?
Yes.
Now in the heading window, I want to put a heading. Correct. That is why I prepared this heading window. Window is a placeholder in which you will place something. Now in this point of place, I want to place something called a delivery note or shipment note. I want to put the heading here. How to put heading here? To put the heading, go here, text. Okay, there is something called, select this window first, click on this window and go here. There is some icon here called text. Click on this text. Yep. So when you click on the text, you will come to this window. Okay. So now, and one more thing, if you are not coming here, say for example, if you are going to other screen, make sure that in the form painter, both these should be ticked when you are starting the scripts. So make sure that this graphical form painter and graphical PC editor both should be checked.
Okay, sir.
Then only you will come to this screen. When you click on this, you are coming to this screen. Okay, now I'll put here a heading. What is the heading?
Delivery document.
Shipment note. I'll say shipment note or delivery document. Anything is okay. Shipment note or delivery document. Anything is okay. So I'll put this heading. Come back. Save this. So now I want to save. After save, I will activate this. Okay. So once I'm activating, this is asking something else. Before coming here, I want to tell you something. I'm putting a heading, correct? So now tell me, what is the font size? Which font size? Whether it's a Times New Roman or Arial or something else, or what is the font style, or what is the font size? Maybe 20 size, 20 or 30.
So we
Correct?
need to define,
You didn't tell that one. Which one?
We need to define that one, sir.
Yeah, we need to define that one. Okay. So to define that, there are two kind of things are available here. One is a paragraph format, another one is character format. Okay. So paragraph format means if you want to decide font style and font size for a paragraph, go for a paragraph format. Character format means small words. If you want to decide the font size and font style for small words, Say for example, there is a very huge paragraph is there in which you want to highlight some small word or some small thing. Then you go for a character format. Okay. So right now I'm going for a paragraph format. I'll show you first how to create a paragraph format. Click on this paragraph format button. Okay. Here in the paragraph you can give anything, like I'll give P1. Once you give the P1, press enter. Give a short description here. Some default paragraph. Okay. So now go to the font. Here there is something called font. Click on this. Here you can choose the font family, whether it is a Times New Roman or something else. Or see here there are different font families are available. Courier is available. Helv is available. I'll choose the Helv. Okay. So this is a default paragraph. Default paragraph means it's not heading, it's not side headings. It's something like which comes by default. So I'll put the font size 12 and press enter. So now if you observe here, P1 default paragraph, hell, and font size 12. These things are coming. Now save it. I want to create one more paragraph format. Give here P2. I want to create this paragraph format for putting heading. Shipment note we have given no description. I want to have the description with bold letters with big font size. Okay. So give here paragraph P2. Press enter. It's asking me, you want to create a new paragraph format or you want to copy all the properties like font size and font family from paragraph format P1. What shall we do? I'll create a new paragraph. Continue. I'll say this paragraph format is for heading.
Ding.
Font family, I'll take the same font family. Font size, I'll take some
14 or 16.
20 I'll take. Okay. And I'll put the bold.
Yes.
Let's save it. I'll create one more paragraph format. P3. Press enter. This is maybe for
Address.
side headings. Maybe in anywhere if I want to put a side heading, then I'll use this. Font size is same, 12, but bold. See, if you observe P1, we have taken font size is 12, but it is not bold letters. But this I am taking font size is 12, but bold. So there are 3 paragraph formats available now. Similarly, I will create one character format also. It is same. Character formats and paragraph format creation is almost same. I will give here C1, press enter. Okay. So this I will put bold, font family, hell, font size 12, bold, and save. Okay, so now one character format we have created and some paragraph formats we have created. So whenever you are trying to put some headings or whenever you are trying to put some address details, you always need to mention the paragraph format. What is the font size? Based on that font size and font style, system will pick up. Okay, say for example you forgot giving paragraph format for address details, then what will happen? You are getting my question? As long as you are in script, what you need to do, you should mention the paragraph format. Maybe for heading shipment node, you will put the paragraph format P2. Maybe for address details, you will put some P1 or something else. Sometimes what will happen, you will forget to give paragraph format for some particular text. Then
The default take a character for default, sir.
yeah, so what we will do here to avoid that one, go to the header here. There is something called header. Click on this header. Click on the basic settings. Here there is something called default paragraph format.
Yes, sir.
Give this default paragraph format. So there are already 3 paragraph formats available for us.
Okay.
I will take P1 as a default paragraph format, which is having the font size 12, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
which is the default paragraph format. So tomorrow in the script, while going in a layout, if you forget giving some paragraph format, then this default paragraph format will be assigned to that. Okay. And here you can also set the page format. Page format, whether it is A4 sheet, you know, A3, A4, A5, these sheets
sir.
are available.
Yes, sir.
Print Word document to print A4 sheet, A3 sheet, A5 sheet, these white papers are available, correct?
Yes.
So you can also set this, because what you will do tomorrow, you will try to give the printout of this document and use as a proof. So this is the one. And you know what is the portrait and landscape?
Yes, sir. Straight and vertical and horizontal.
Vertical and horizontal. Yes. Correct. So if you are seeing this space like this,
this is portrait.
This is portrait and landscape. Let me go to the print related settings, page layout. Okay, page layout. Landscape is there here. Anywhere.
Orientation, sir.
Yeah, this one, orientation. This is landscape.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a horizontal.
Yes, sir.
This is portrait. Fine. So how you want to print? You want to print the that means you want to design the layout in a portrait format or landscape format. Also you can decide here. Okay, and then finally click on save. Now come back, go to the layout. Now we have some paragraph formats and character formats. So I just want to give the details in the heading window. So what paragraph format shall I put for this? P1, P2 or P3? P1 we have created for default paragraph, correct? That is having a font size 12. P2 we have created for heading.
Heading.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, heading. So I'll put P2 for this. Okay?
Yes.
So I'll click on F4 here, select the P2, come back, activate, and now see how it appears. If you want to see the print preview, how it appears. Go to utilities, printing test. Okay, give here output device as LP01. Output device, you give here LP01, print preview. So this is how your heading is coming. This is the window, and this is how your heading is coming. But I want to put my heading in the center, because most of the times the top heading should be in the center, correct?
Yes, sir.
So how to put this in the center? And I can increase the font size also little bit,
Yes, sir.
correct? So I want to increase the font size a little bit. I want to put the heading in the middle. To do this, what to do? Go to the paragraph format. This is a 1, right? P2 is a 1. So double click on P2. So here there is something called alignment.
Alignment. Center.
Now it is a left align. Make this as a center.
Center.
Okay, and go to the font. I'll make the font as 24.
Okay.
Font size I'll make 24. Now activate. Once again I'm doing the printing test. Now let us see how it appears. Okay, so now it came into the middle, and it was okay. Now if you want to see, this is a window top margin, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is a window lower margin.
Yes,
It is coming at the top. If you want to put it in the middle, what you can do is go to that particular window, go to the layout, go to the particular window, put your cursor here, press enter. So one line gap will be there, and after that the shipment note will be printed.
I think it will not work.
Activate this utilities printing test LP01 print preview. Okay, now so after one line gap, this shipment note was printing.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So this is how you can adjust with the letters, font size, fonts.
Okay, sir.
Now the next step is logo. I want to upload the company logo. Okay. So how to upload a logo? So to upload the logo, what do you need to do? Go for something called,
The transaction is this.
maybe take some logo from the net, and then you put it on the desktop and upload it into SAP. So I'll take some logo.
Simple.
Go to your desktop and put the logo in your bitmap. Generally what your customer will do, your customer will give the logo to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But here there is no customer, so I am taking that logo from some
Bitmap.
screenshot. So make a bitmap image, logo dot bmp or something. Try to edit this. Select the logo only, logo part.
Control edit.
Okay, so we got the logo. And save this logo now. So now this logo is saved as bitmap image, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this logo was saved as a bitmap image. Now upload this logo into SAP. Okay, so how to upload this logo into SAP? To upload the logo, go to the transaction SE78. To upload the logo into SAP, go to the transaction SE78, press enter. Okay, now expand this graphics, expand this, double click on bitmap images,
Browse.
click on this export button, import, sorry, click on this import button. So where is the logo? It's asking where is the logo is located.
Desktop.
So you say in the desktop the HP logo. Okay.
Name.
And what is the name?
Logo.
I'll give the name as ZHP logo. Okay. Description you can give HP logo. Whether it is a color image or black and white image. It's a
Colored
color
image.
image, correct? So give the color bitmap image. Give this and continue. So now your logo is imported into the SAP. If you want to see the print preview, click on this button here, print preview of the logo. So this is the logo now, which is coming in SAP. Now I want to put the logo. What is the logo name now? ZHP underscore logo. I want to put this logo in my script. Okay, so I'll go here. This is the logo window. Select this. The logo window, click here. Text. Okay. So now what I will do? I'm leaving one space because otherwise it will come at the top of the window. So I'm leaving one line gap, and then I'll go to the insert, graphics. So here select this, stored on document server. What is the logo name? ZHP logo. It's a color bitmap image. Continue. So a code is automatically coming up, correct?
Yes.
The code is, system is automatically writing some code. Bitmap, Z logo, object graphics, ID bitmap, type BCOL. Okay, fine. Come back. Activate your layout and try to go for a printing test. Utility is printing test. LP01, a print preview. Okay, so this is how it appears. The logo. Fine. So if you want to make the window is a little larger, then also you can make, say for example, all the window widths. This window now, this logo is crossing this, correct?
Yes, sir.
If I want to increase the length of this for 10 mm, you can increase the length. Otherwise, if you want to make it
Shrink.
Logo small, if you want to make the logo smaller,
You need to go for
what you can do is, if you want to make the logo smaller, then go here, display change, go to the text, here, while calling the logo you should give the resolution, that I'll tell you now. Say insert, graphics, stored on document server. This is Z logo, graphics, bitmap. There is something called resolution here. Okay, so you give the resolution as 100. Okay, let us see now how it comes. So here DPI 100 is coming. As resolution increases, resolution number increases, logo small decreases. It's inversely proportional, something like printing test. See, now the size of the logo is a little bit decreased. Correct? So like that, the logo size can be increased or decreased. Okay? Fine. So the other things we'll continue in the next class. So how to bring the address here, what is the customer address, what is the company address, how to get the details here, because what we need to do now, the next step is we need to write the program. We need to write a program, we need to get the data inside the program, and we'll pass the data into this address windows and these details windows. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we will continue that in the next class.
Okay, sir.
So you practice with the layout part, you try to upload the logo, and then define various paragraph formats, character formats, and see what's happening, how it's controlling the output.
Okay, sir.
Fine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Bye.